So for some people, it can be challenging to figure out how to engage a muscle that they've never engaged before, especially as you're trying to find relief or just to maximize whatever it is that you're trying to maximize. So in this case here, a TENS unit can be really helpful. I'm going to use my bicep just because it's an easy example. But if someone's having an issue engaging a particular muscle, we can use this TENS unit to kind of force that signal better through the bicep, or in this case, through the bicep. And it might be hard to kind of get this on camera here, but let's see. Yeah, so it's kind of pulsating my bicep, and sometimes it lifts it up, sometimes it doesn't. Everyone's kind of different. It'd be nice to get an involuntary contraction, but everyone has their own level of sensitivity. And over time, if it's feeling good, then what might be helpful is to create that movement that you're striving for. So in this case, my bicep is going to be responsible for doing a bicep curl. I can figure out how to engage my bicep now, and now I can activate my bicep better during the motion. If you're able to figure that out, then you can turn it off. Say, okay, I don't have this now. Am I able to get what I need out of my bicep now that I was able to kind of turn it on with some assistance? So I hope that's helpful for you as you're trying to kind of figure out how to get the best out of your muscle. Sometimes a TENS unit can help with that. Of course, if you have any questions, let me know.